Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to do some Mame testing on the LDK portable system from a friend from China. Alright. I am ready for it. You are. Let's test out some games and let's see how they are running on this mean little machine. Indeed. Go, go, go. So let's play some Cadillac and Dinosaurs. One of my favorite beat 'em ups. So now what you can see over here, it runs very well. Decent frame rate, good sound. That is really cool. Alright, so from this part I'm using another program because it has some problems with Final Burn Alpha. The sound is not great. But it's playable. The sound can be pretty damn loud. The button will never work correctly because I cannot turn. I can use this button, but it works not like it's supposed to be. Okay, this is going to be interesting. Okay, we need to hold the LDK like this. Oh man! Let's go and go on. I suck at Frogger, that's a fact. I'm curious how this game is going to run. That's fine. Whoa. Yeah. Power up. Okay, what the hell? Oh, this runs like shit. Oh, this is bad. How do I need to play this?
Okay, good luck. Wing leader to base. Wing leader to base. Commencing operation. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
First stop. Enemy out. Let's see what you got.
Alright, so for the final conclusion regarding the Mame on the LDK, you need to mess around with the files because not all files are compatible. And also you need to have this combination of the right emulator with the right file. If one of these things are not correct, you're going to have a lot of problems. This is what I have noticed with this, so it's not really plug and play that you're getting out of the box, smack some files in it and it just works perfectly. You have seen earlier on the testing video that some of the games are working pretty damn fine. But some games are just glitching out. If you have any tips, you can always leave it in the comments. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell. And if you like gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel because we have a lot of awesome gameplay going over there. See you next time and bye bye.